So we have something called a sure vent, okay? An air admittance valve. Okay, this will be in the video caption links or whatever, so you can see what they are, where they sell it, whatnot. The brand here is called Oatey, and the whole point of this is that this allows air to go into the drain. So this allows air to go into the piping, but it does not allow air to escape. So the good thing with that is that none of the sewage smells will ever come out of the vent, but it will give you enough air to allow the water to drain properly. Okay, so again, this is called a sure vent. I'll have the links in the show notes. The point is, this allows you to vent all your drains without having to drill holes through the base plates, through the roof, into your roof liner. Like, it's just way more effort to drill a hole through. We can use one of these. Okay, one of the things that you have to be wary of using this is that these do fail over time, okay? Because there's a spring inside, they may fail over time. So wherever you put one of these, you should always have an access panel also installed. So if this fails 10 years down the road, you're gonna be able to replace it, okay? And you will know, because if it fails, your drain's gonna stop flowing, the water doesn't flow properly, it kind of collects at the bottom. You'll notice, okay? Again, it's called a sure vent. I'm going to show you what the sure vent looks like when installed. So on the other side of this wall is going to be where the laundry room is. So that's why you see the P-trap right here. Okay, so this is the P-trap for it. It's going to come out here. When I do install the laundry, I'm going to shoot it out of the wall so that laundry pipes can connect directly. I can cut it, I can adjust it. I've left it as a rough-in so I can adjust it later on, okay? Now beside it is where the sure vent is located. So you see it right there, okay? Maybe a little close-up look of it. And this is going to provide venting for the laundry pipe. Now, because this is more than 5 feet or more to the rest of the drains, we also have a second one located right there. Okay. All right, so this is the progress of the basement so far. Still a lot of work to do, of course, but at least the drain part of the headache is taken care of.